Take away the trees and the birds will have to sit upon the ground. And take away their wings and the birds will have to walk to get around. And take away the bird baths and dirty birds will soon be everywhere. Take away their feathers and the birds will walk around in underwear. Take away and the birds will have to whisper when they sing.
Chirp, chirp.
And take away their common sense and they'll be headed southward in the spring. Oh, remember me, my darling, when spring is in the air and the bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere. When you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear, this Tennessee bird walk. Some trees so the birds won't have to sit upon the ground. And how about some wings so the birds won't have to walk to get around? And how about a bird bath or two so the birds will all be clean? How about some feathers so their underwear no longer will be seen? So the birds won't have to whisper when they sing.
Chirp, chirp.
And how about some common sense so they won't be blocking traffic in the spring? Oh, remember me, my darling, when spring is in the air and the bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere. When you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear, there's Tennessee bird walk.
Chirp, chirp.
There's Tennessee bird walk.
Chirp, chirp.
There's Tennessee bird walk.